Okay, so I love saving time. I mean, one of the coolest ways that Google is allowing us to do that now is when you need to create a new doc, slide, form, site, calendar invite, or Meet call, you can use a URL shortcut. So here's this little table for you that goes over the .new shortcuts. If I was to go here to a new tab and type docs.new, it will go ahead and create a new document for me. If I was to go here, type slides.new, we'll create a new slideshow, and you can see the rest of them over here. The new one that they just added recently is meet.new. But before we show that, let me put a disclaimer on that. Meet.new should only be used when working with adults. This is not a nickname meeting. So, kind of how we had the issue with kids early on when we would just create a link and share it with them, and then that link was always there forever and ever and ever. That's what Meet.new does. If you're going to meet with kids, still use a nicknamed Meet. But what's really cool is I go over here, I type Meet.new, hit enter, and it goes straight to a meeting. So I just need to have some quick ad hoc meeting with a coworker or another adult on campus, and I don't want to go through all the steps of creating it. Meet.new is a great one. So again, here are some of the shortcuts. What's really cool is that they're going to be adding a lot more, including working with other companies. I think like playlist.new will make you a new Spotify playlist and such. If you have any questions or need any help with this, definitely feel free to leave a message in the Whitepix help desk channel in Slack. Thank you.